Imagine multiplying your initial investment not by 2, not by 10, but by 1,000. Does it sound like a dream? But what if I told you it's not just a dream? The cryptocurrency world is full of stories of those who dared to believe and are now sailing on their private yachts. And now, you have that compass in hand. Think about it. A smart investment in Bitcoin through exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, could be your golden ticket. But what if there's more? Emerging cryptocurrencies, rough diamonds waiting to be discovered and potentially ready to take off like rockets. Are you ready to explore this universe of possibilities and discover how you too could be part of the next big crypto success story? Stay with us, because we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency investments that can not just grow, but explode in value. Let's delve into the fascinating world of exchange-traded funds for cryptocurrencies. These are not just another investment vehicle. They are the bridge between the traditional financial market and the emerging cosmos of cryptocurrencies. By incorporating Bitcoin into these funds, the door is open to investors seeking the familiarity of the stock market, but with the desire to participate in the digital money revolution. This not only broadens Bitcoin's horizon, but can also accelerate its adoption and, with it, its market value. But how do these funds actually impact the price of Bitcoin? Imagine the injection of confidence for a typical investor, accustomed to stocks and bonds, having the ability to invest in cryptocurrencies without stepping out of their comfort zone. This is not speculation. It's a trend we're seeing in real time. As more such funds are approved and launched into the market, more capital flows into Bitcoin, which often translates into a price increase. Of course, we're not talking about financial magic. We're talking about greater accessibility, portfolio diversification, and the entry of new investors who previously watched from the sidelines. Each new fund of this kind that appears is like a new channel, not just for the flow of money, but for the stream of confidence and acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate and valuable asset. So while Bitcoin remains the undisputed king of cryptocurrencies, these funds act as its knights, expanding its kingdom beyond digital borders into the vast world of traditional finance. But let's not just focus on Bitcoin and its growth boosted by exchange-traded funds. On the cryptographic horizon, there are emerging stars that could not only shine but explode in value, making Bitcoin's gains pale in comparison. We're talking about those young cryptocurrencies, those projects that are in their infancy, but with growth potential that could make their investors hold their heads for not getting in sooner. These cryptocurrencies are not for the risk-averse. They are for the pioneers, for those who can see beyond the present, who can grasp a vision of the future in a programming code, in a white paper, in a vibrant community. But how to spot these future stars in a universe of thousands of cryptocurrencies? What makes them different? What makes them potential candidates for that 100x or even 1000x leap in price? Let's be clear: technology. A cryptocurrency that solves real problems, that brings disruptive innovations, that is not just another coin, but a piece of an ecosystem that can change entire industries, has more tickets for that meteoric growth. The community is another key factor. Let's not underestimate the power of a group of passionate, dedicated people who invest not only money but time and creativity in the project. And finally, the vision. A cryptocurrency with a clear roadmap, with ambitious but realistic goals, and with a team that knows where it's going, is a cryptocurrency that attracts not only investors but also collaborators, dreamers, those who want to be part of something big. So while exchange-traded funds may be the gateway for Bitcoin to grow big, there is a world of emerging cryptocurrencies waiting to be discovered, to be part of investment portfolios that seek not just to diversify, but also to amplify their gains to levels that today may seem like fiction.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Now, considering this landscape, the investment strategy becomes the helm that will guide our ship through the turbulent waters of cryptocurrencies. A balanced portfolio, combining the robustness of Bitcoin, especially through exchange-traded funds, with the agility of emerging cryptocurrencies, is like having one foot in two worlds, one of relative security and another of explosive potential. Balancing an investment portfolio is like being a chef in the finance kitchen, mixing ingredients to create the perfect dish. Let's start with the basic ingredient, Bitcoin. Thinking about Bitcoin is like thinking about the rice or pasta of our portfolio. It's the base, the gold standard of the crypto world. Including Bitcoin is betting on solidity and global acceptance, giving us a solid foundation on which to build. Next, we have cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are like the spices you add to your dish. They allow you to invest in cryptocurrencies without having to buy them directly, reducing risk and complexity. Crypto ETFs offer instant diversification, as they are made up of a basket of different cryptos. By including ETFs, you benefit from professional management and the ease of trading your shares like common stocks, providing an extra layer of security and accessibility. Lastly, emerging cryptocurrencies are like the exotic ingredients that can give a unique flavor to your dish. They're riskier, yes, but with careful analysis and judicious selection, they can offer great growth potential. These minor cryptocurrencies or altcoins can be volatile, but by allocating only a small portion of your portfolio to them, you expose yourself to the possibility of significant gains while keeping the risk under control. To find the balance, start by allocating a larger percentage to Bitcoin and ETFs, as they are safer options. A conservative approach might be a 50-30-20, where 50% is Bitcoin, 30% in ETFs, and 20% in altcoins. However, the exact proportion will depend on your risk appetite, your investment goals, and your time horizon. Remember that balancing is not a one-time act. You must regularly review your portfolio and adjust the ratios to reflect changes in the market and in your own circumstances. Keep an eye on market trends, but more importantly, keep the other on your personal goals. Just as tastes change, so will your investment needs. Moreover, with great potential comes great volatility. It's no secret that the cryptocurrency market can be as volatile as an erupting volcano. So, how can we navigate this landscape without being consumed by the fiery lava of an unpredictable market? Here are some practical tips. First, research. Thoroughly understand the cryptocurrencies you're investing in. Volatility is less daunting when you comprehend the long-term value and potential of your investments. Second, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By having a variety of assets, you can cushion the fall of one with the performance of another. Third, risk management. Set limits on how much you're willing to lose and stick to them. Use tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments from sudden drops. Fourth, the long-term outlook. Volatility can be less relevant if your investment approach looks towards the distant horizon. Many of the current cryptographic titans have seen steep falls, only to reach new heights over time. Fifth, stay calm. In the frenzy of a bull market or the despair of a bear, keeping a cool head is your best asset. Don't get carried away by fear or greed. And sixth, constant updating. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest news and trends to make decisions based on the most current information. With these tips in your arsenal, the volatility of the cryptocurrency market won't be an enemy, but familiar terrain where, with the right strategy, you can seek your fortune. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not for the faint of heart, but with the right preparation, even the wildest roller coasters can be conquered. In the dizzying world of cryptocurrencies, building a balanced portfolio is more art than science. We've explored how the solid Bitcoin, diversified cryptocurrency ETFs, and promising emerging cryptocurrencies can be combined to create a financial symphony. But remember, the market is always in motion, and what today is a harmonious melody, tomorrow may need a new arrangement. So, are you ready to take the reins of your crypto investments? If this journey through strategy and financial wisdom has ignited a spark in you, don't let it go out. Dive in, research, and above all, invest with knowledge and caution. And if you've enjoyed this tour, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. We want to hear from you, so leave your comments below with your thoughts and strategies, your successes, and even your missteps. Because remember, every experience is a learned lesson that you can share with this community of investors. Don't let the opportunity fade away like a coin in the air. Until next time, smart investors.